What's up, guys? Kelly McKay here, aka HVC Millionaire, right here on YouTube. Please, blah, blah, can't talk today. Yesterday we had our whole team meeting, so I talked almost all day long, so I apologize. But today, be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, hit the notification bell, and leave me a comment below. Thank you guys for all the support, really appreciate it. So today I want to talk to you about this idea of being nervous, as a technician, for instance, or as a business owner, if you're still in the field and you go, let's say you go in the spring and you offer this, this, and this to be done to that system. And let's say the customer chose not to do any options. And then the next time you go back, you offer it again. You offer this, this, and this again. And then the next time you go back, the next fall or spring, you're like, okay, well, they're not going to go for that because I've already offered that before. Well, first off, let's stop thinking that way, because for one thing, if it's something like an indoor air quality product of some kind, well, health conditions change in the household all the time. So consider that. Like, somebody in the household could have just had allergies all of a sudden flare up that they've never experienced before in their lives. Think of it this way, though. Not only do health conditions change, like we know that, we've established that. I hope you agree with me on that, because it's true. You've probably experienced it in your household. But the second thing to really consider is that maybe it's not you going out again, or maybe it is you. It doesn't matter who goes out again. If you offered it the first time and you recommended it as a professional, you recommended doing this, this, and this as a professional, then you go out the next time and you don't say anything about those things, they're going to instantly suspect that you were just trying to sell them something. So this happened to one of my coworkers. He took his vehicle in for, I think it was just a fluid check, maybe, I think it was just an oil change. Goes in for an oil change, and they tell him, hey, your power steering fluid is low. And so he's like, do you want us to take care of it? Here's how much it would cost. And he said, no, I'll just take care of it myself. Well, he winds up just not even messing with it, because he's not feeling any symptoms of low power steering fluid. Like his steering wheel still turns as easy as can be. He goes back again 4, 5, 6 months later to get the oil changed again. This time they didn't offer it to him. And then immediately he's thinking in his head, you guys are just full of crap. You're full of crap. I didn't need that to begin with, so why did you offer it to me the first time? Now, he didn't say that, but that's what he was thinking. And I can guarantee you there's going to be some customers of yours that are going to be thinking the same thing. Why didn't you offer this? Last time when somebody's out, they told me I needed this start booster to help my system start so my lights would stop flashing, and you didn't offer it. How come? Even if they don't come out and say it, well, then they're going to be thinking it. So do not be afraid. As a matter of fact, look at the notes from the previous several visits. Like, before you step up to the house, you've got to review the customer history. Then when you go into the house, be sure to recommend everything that was offered before that they chose not to buy. That way you're consistent, because people are going to appreciate far more, they're going to appreciate consistency than inconsistency. So be sure to do not be afraid to keep offering this stuff. Doesn't matter what they said last time. Health conditions changed, and I'm going to be consistent and professional. So if I recommended it last time, it's because me as a professional, I believe that you need this in your house. So I'm going to make sure to recommend it again every single time. If it's something that I know will benefit their lives and benefit the indoor air quality, or increase the safety, this is my saying. It's safety, reliability, and efficiency. If I can do anything to make those things better, I'm going to offer it. And I'm going to offer it every single time. So never be afraid to offer things multiple times if they chose not to go with it last time you were there. Just know that you're being the professional by being consistent. So that's what it's about. Be sure to stay consistent. That's it. So go make money. Boom.